Good morning, guys. Be with you in about 5 minutes or so. Just make sure to like up the stream, post some questions, comments, any tickets, anything, and then we'll get started in a bit. All right. See you guys in a minute. All right. Good morning, guys. Hello. Gonna get through some YouTube. I got a lot of Twitter stuff, and then I'll get to you guys on YouTube, right? So let's go through QNRX here. QNRX needs this level here. What is this? 8745. QNRX. Wait for 0.8745. Don't worry, Wes. I'll sort them out. Give me a minute. Wint. Wint. Did it close above this $1? Yeah, nice close above $1. Now you have this. Where's your next level? Around here. Looks good. These are your key levels for Wint. It is now 113 on it, so we'll keep it on the watch list. I think I already have it on there. Yeah, I do. All right, cool. AGFY. Nothing on AGFY. It's down 10% for me. There's nothing on this. No volume. Yeah. Maybe above 4, so 4.25 we can put, right? Maybe above 4.25, $4.25. Candle close above that, maybe some entries there. Other than that, nothing. It's down 10% right now. Let it do its thing. Wait for 4.25, break above. Like up the stream, guys. Let's go. Like up the stream, comment. Post some tickets and questions, and I'll get back to you. I'm just going through Twitter stuff. Yeah, these fake guys are annoying. My bad. I mean, not even my bad. Nothing I can do. I don't even know why there's fake people under my name. Sad. We have sad people in this world. Very sad people, I'm afraid. 145. Yeah, this one not great. ADTX needs 148. Reason why 148, because there's too much mess here. Clean candle close above, you have room to literally 185. So that's what I would say, just leave it out for now. Unless 148. Let's just put it 150, psychological. That's why I have it in blue. ADTX, no entries unless 150 break. 150 break. Needed. LGMK, let me have a look. LGMK is up 30%. Yeah, this one's just chilling right now. Sub $1 play, orange. I won't be trading drug at all today. It's too high. I don't trade a $50 stock, even though it's crazy volatile. It's not my kind of style. But if anyone traded Friday, I mentioned that it should run. And surprisingly, it did. Needs 0.1421 break. 0.1421 break. So you'll see a lot of people that request charts. I just tell you to wait for the break above because 99% of the charts, they're all bearish. A lot of them do have low volume as well. So that's why ApeCoin, I don't do any of that shit. Sober. Sober. Guys, I'll get to your questions in a bit. Just relax. I can see everyone's message. Every single one of you who's just written, I can see it. Don't worry. I will get to you in a minute. Just like those who have waited for me, now you're going to have to wait as well. If you posted more than twice, I will ignore you. You have drone play. This runs with war news. Big sell-off here. 290 break needed. See, you just joined the same thing. A lot of times it's just very bearish, these plays, so a lot of them are downtrends and all that. Needs 290 break. So yeah, you'll see a lot of them needs 90 break. This close above, all this, because they're all down. Bearish, most of them about below VWAP, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, for me, nothing. All right, let's get through to Twitter. All right, let's go. Sorry, on YouTube. Let's have a look. All right, good afternoon. Can you do a chart on Pally? Let me have a look at Pally. Pally, low volume, it is up 11%. Let me just do something quickly. Pally, currently at 432, which is over here. What's this level here? Yeah, 481 is your next big level on Pally. It's currently at 432. You cannot see where the price is right now because I don't have extended hours on. I cannot have it on when I use the daily time frame, which is at the bottom. If I have a full hour, you can see it, yes. So currently it's at 432, which is right here, 4.32. So currently price is at this orange line. I personally would wait for it to close above 481. So this is Pally, big resistance level at 481. Pally, not APLI. All right, cool. Afternoon. What's a good exit on GREE? I'm at 170. Aim for 5%. I got 7% on drug. Nice. Yeah, drug was in this bullish pennant here. I said it needs to hold $50. It did. I don't even know how much percent it's up from there. $50. 15%. Very nice. Yeah, these are your next levels here. Is the next resistance, like $79. Insane move on Friday. Got this level here, 59. Yeah, I mean, this is going to probably be a mover today, but I just won't be trading it. No one really in the Discord will be either. I doubt it, unless we alert it, but don't think any of us will. It's too volatile. These are your levels though. Drug key levels. Happy good afternoon. Price prediction on DJT. There is no price prediction, Abraham. Please don't ask that kind of question. It's a very stupid question, okay? Brother, no one can tell you what price a stock will go to, whether I've been trading for 7 million years, right? Or if I've been trading since yesterday. I don't know. No one can tell you what price a stock will go to. If someone can do that, right, then you should definitely not be listening to them. No one can tell you. I don't care what analysts say, all this kind of stuff, because they get a price increase from $2 to $20. It means nothing, guys. It doesn't mean the stock's going to go to that price. It's a load of shit, okay? It's just someone saying that this is what the price will be because this is what they think the stock is valued or the company, whatever, okay? Don't fall for those traps. Start to learn and understand how to trade. Don't hold for targets. You must sell when you are happy. You must sell when you're up whatever percentage you desire. I aim for realistic targets. As a day trader, I aim for 5%. I don't aim for 100, 200, 300% moves because it's unrealistic. If I did that for every single trade I would do, I definitely wouldn't be standing here. I might be probably, you know, not in a good position, you know, financially, because holding for 100% moves, I would probably be down on every single trade and I would have no money in my trading account. Don't hold for targets, aim for realistic targets. If you're doing day trades, aim for 5-10%. If you're doing swing trades, do longer, 20%, whatever. Understand why you're getting into the trade. If you're going to buy because someone said something about it, then, I don't know, you need to look into it and understand, okay, does this align with something that I like? X-Pawn just looked like it sold off. Nothing unless 45. Major resistance here. Still no entries above. Still no entries above. APVO scalp today. Well, right now there's no volume. If it closes above 0.28, maybe, yeah, look cool. Keep that on watch. I don't trade sub $1 plays, so I'm not interested unless Hassie gives it. Grab for a swing. I don't know when the earnings are on that, bro. I don't know the float either. Could be good, yeah. I mean, I don't know anything about it. I have to do DD on kind of look what's happening with the stock financially. But technically, yeah, you could say it's a breakout, but there's a resistance here and here as well. But yeah, maybe it's a large floater. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Green, nothing really going on with this. It's kind of broken below the support here. It's a demand zone around this level. Like this. Yeah, it's just heading to demand zone. Put this $2, put that in blue. Demand zone. Yeah, right now it's just pulling back into demand zone. Maybe if it holds this level into open, around this level here in the orange, maybe it'll look good for entries. But it's very simple. If you're down more than 5%, cut it. If you're up 5%, sell 50%. That's it. Stop holding, bag holding, because you hope it's going to go up. What do you think of Pally? I just did Pally, bro. Nothing unless 481 break above. Save. 5-minute time frame. Nothing really at the moment. Just been trending down since pre-market. So for me, nothing. Yeah, nothing really. Maybe if the trend line breaks, if it reclaims $2. At the moment, nothing there. Buru, 4 hour. Buru's nothing. It's getting absolutely wrecked. Just leave it alone. Strong downtrend. All these crazy wicks. Madness of a chart. Not a fan. If I had to take an entry, it would be above trend line. I wouldn't even trade it then. I'd have to wait for $1. BIVI. This is looking like the best setup into open in my opinion. I can just update this chart a bit. Let's come to a downtrend, bullish pennant. Yeah, bullish pennant should break out. With the current trend, it's bullish. Continuation pattern to continue to go to the upside. Bullish pennant. If you don't know what a bullish pennant is, join the YouTube. Go onto YouTube. We have some videos there. Join the Discord. Go onto Google. Yeah, these are basics that people should start to know what they are. Good morning. What up? I went over both already. Watch X, agree. Yeah. Cameron already told you. TPST. Nothing on this, to be honest. I mean, what I could tell you is that it's like just trending in this demand zone area here. Big area of support. So yeah, we'll just see. I mean, it's $1.10. See if it can hold $1 into open, but down 4% on Friday, 1%. It's pretty much down right now. Yeah, nothing on this. TPST needs to hold demand zone into open. All right. Have a great day. See you in the social world. Peace out, Tuscan. See you later. You could offer levels on DJT. Doesn't have to be a high price target. Yeah, levels. I've given levels as well. Let me see the levels on it if it's updated. Guys, this is just going to run up till elections. I think it's going to dump when it gets announced, but yeah. These are levels 3250, 3650. Here you go. These are not price targets. I know people are going to use them as targets for whatever reason. They can decide what they want to do, but yeah. Needs a pullback though. It's been running up crazy recently. Good morning. When you get a chance, SYTA. Do I have this on my watch list? Yes, I do. SYTA, I just marked the high here, which is 250. Close above 250 on the 5 minutes. You could look for an entry. Alright, SYTA, wait for 250 break. Wait for the 250 break. eLab has news today. Nice. SYTA, how can I see or watch for volume? Is their website. You can literally go onto this website right here. It's here. You can use the indicator by going onto volume right here. These the volume right here. Shows you on each time frame. If you got any time frame, it changes. Thank you. I'm definitely joining Discord. My P&L green by the end of the year week. Cool. Lovely. Love it. Love to hear, bro. Discord seems to a lot of the runners. I don't know if you're in the Discord, but maybe you're in Dreamland. All we do is trade the runners. Maybe we don't alert. I don't alert the runners because I cannot trade it because it's too volatile. I cannot give it as an alert or a setup because by the time I tell you to get in, it's gone up 20%. And if you're going to buy it 20% when it's up, that's called chasing, FOMOing. It's very difficult to trade and manage your risk. So I don't trade like that. It's easy to look at charts and which ones are moving. I can tell you which ones are. If you are in the Discord, you should know that. But yeah, we don't alert every single runner, obviously not, because some of them are too volatile. Maybe they don't align with our strategy. As you know, if you've looked at the past weeks or however long you've been there, I'm sure you can see my consistency in terms of why I take my trades, and I take it pretty much the same time. Same as Hassi, you can understand why he's looking at his trades. If you still don't understand, feel free to ask in the Discord, or you can also watch the seminar videos where I explain everything what I do. So yeah. But I'm not too sure what you mean by miss a lot of the runners. If you're meaning and rephrasing it in a sense that we don't trade all the runners, fair enough. Yes, we don't, because they are very volatile, as I just mentioned. You cannot trade very volatile plays while managing a risk, especially with us that have a 3 to 5% stop loss. It's pretty impossible to trade something that's moving 5-10% in like 2 seconds, you know? So yeah, it's easy to see the runners and trade it. But you know, for beginners and trying to learn a strategy that's profitable, it's not very successful doing it on the top gainers like that. No, I haven't gone over JDZG. JDZG down 19%. Nothing on this, unfortunately. We can just say that it's trending down like this. But we might be in a falling wedge, so we could be possibly reversing here. We have a demand zone as well. Looks decent. Looks decent. demand zone. JDZG falling wedge plus demand zone. Nice. This is even on the 1 hour, which gives them more confirmation that this should possibly push up. These runners do normally fade and then hopefully run up again. GNPX. 26%. Yeah, I would wait for 6230 or 0.6230. Could wait for that. TVGN. I think TVGN wasn't great at the moment. Yeah, TVGN pulled back. Damn, I Wickfield there. TVGN looks good. I mean, it's holding this 183, which is a psychological level. Sorry, not 183. Why is it? 180 is here. I have around this 180 level. What is this? Yeah, so we'll see this. Like this. Blue. Yeah. Nice. Is it above VWAP? Close it above VWAP, you could look for your entry. That's what I would say. I would sell before open. Bivy levels. You have here, 48. The next level's like here. These are your levels here. Bivy key levels. Bivy key level. Bivy key levels. Thank you, no problem. LTBR. LTBR is running, very nice. $9. Probably won't trade this today, but damn. Why is this thing going? What is this? Pretty insane move. Just trying to see where the next resistance levels are on this. All the way up here, 1346, just put it at 1345 as a psychological level. Then we have here $11. Yeah, these are, what's this? 1025 as well. These are your key levels here for LTBR. I would even use like this level here, 985. Damn. Yeah, this is going to be one to watch, I'm sure. As someone mentioned, who was, I think is part of the Discord, said that we don't play the runners. Something like this is probably something I won't trade, even though it's a runner, because it doesn't align with my strategy. It's pretty impossible to manage a risk in this unless you perfectly time it, because I reckon that if you're trading something like this, you'll be in drawdown at least 5-10%, and then that's where I'm already out. I've cut my loss at 3%, so for me, it doesn't align my strategy. Maybe when it cools off and the range isn't bad, then yes, I'll probably trade it. So I guess it is still a top gainer or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, or every single trade that I take in the Discord or wherever, okay, I only trade high volume stocks, which are the top gainer plays. So it doesn't mean just because they're not a volatile play that it's not a top gainer, but 99% of the plays that I trade are all the top gainers, and they are the runners. Last week I had a fantastic week on alerts. Actually, I gave 100% on all alerts. Every single day was green. I only gave 9 alerts, but it was still fantastic. I mean, 9 out of 9 is incredible. Lumen, this was a former runner. I remember this thing. $7.90. Let's check the levels on this. Damn, Lumen's nice. Maybe I'll pull back to this later. Around here, so we can see if it pulls back to this. Now previous resistance is now probably going to become support. Maybe we get that infamous yellow line that everybody loves to see. We have 850 on here. Oh, where's $8 psychological? And we have 850. Yeah, this is a good play. We can keep this on watch as well, since it's running 850, then 875. All right, cool. These are your levels. Probably will hit them, but by the time I post this, but it is what it is. Key levels. Runners are called chasing. Yeah. BTC. Bitcoin's bullish from what I remember. I haven't looked at it over the weekend though. Let's see. Yeah, big level here, $70, 70K, sorry. Big level. NVIDIA. NVDA, nothing. Double top possibly. Doesn't look too great. Last 2 days have been red, so it looks like it's coming down, but who knows. Thank you. Yeah, you're way more consistent. I guess some people in Coronas every day when yeah, I mean, I get at least 3 to 5%. Like my first target's at least 3%, sometimes 5%. But yeah, I'm just a very conservative trader. I sell at least 50% of my position my first target. So that's what I do. It's sometimes, most of the time it runs like 5+%, but I do leave a lot on the table. That's one of the issues I have in my trading style, but slowly getting better at it. Yeah, can't be good at everything, but yeah, I'm slowly getting better. Yeah, you don't trade the runners, but that's where the money is. Lumen, please. Oh, I just went over Lumen. AIFF. AIFF. AIFF is a bit of a weird one. Let me check. Is this a former runner? It's up a little bit. I mean, it's up 13%, but there's not too much going on right now with it. I would say you have, these are your next levels. You have a wick fill here at 760, which means liquidity, possibly. I would focus on this 582 first. Looks good. This might become support. There's $4, 405. Bivy, I'm good with 1% day, but 10-20% hits are always nice. Yeah, I totally agree. I cannot agree more than getting 20% is always nice. I agree. Even 100% is nice, but I just think long term, for me personally, because that's what I want to do this long term, and that's why I'm doing it, because it pays my bills as well. But yeah, I mean, I aim for 1%. I very conservative, 1% a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. Sometimes I get over 20%, sometimes I'm below. I average, I would say, around 14 to 16% a month on my accounts, but I do chop and change between my accounts since I do have a few. But yeah, I mean, getting 20% every day is not realistic. That's why I teach what I know and what's realistic, that's all. But people can make 50% on my trades, they can lose 50%. It's all about, at the end of the day, it's all about managing the risk. And ultimately understanding why you're getting in the trade. Because if you're making 20% every day, obviously you're doing something fantastically well, and no one needs help if they're doing that, because 20% a week or a day is 100% a week. 100% a week, 400% a month. I will take that any day. I will give someone a lot of money if they can make me 20% a day on my account. I've already done Wint. VSE, nice. Luminous, low valid for entries. Well, I would not buy Lumen now because I think it's at the highest point that, look, I would not buy Lumen now because it's the highest point of the day. Why are you going to chase and FOMO? The stock will always come down. So this is maybe something that needs to be a little bit clear. Like, this is a runner, right? It doesn't align with my strategy, but if it does set up, right? If I see a falling wedge, if I see a demand zone, if I see any confluences or I see a downtrend break, then yes, I'll look for the entry. So that is something I will do. So simply like this, we could say maybe if a downtrend forms like this, it breaks above, entries could enter like that, wait for VWAP to pull back to. There's a lot of ways you could trade it. Always think about it. You're buying at the highest point of the day. That is called chasing, that's FOMOing. Let it come down, it will come down. If it doesn't come down, wait for it to come down. It's as simple as that. But if you're gonna keep buying at the top, you're gonna lose 99% of the time, because that's what most new traders do, and traders just in general. They always chase and they buy at the top. I never ever chase a stock. That's the thing I probably preach the most, myself and Hassie, is just wait, let it come down, be patient. The stock is not going anywhere. If it doesn't come down, it will at some point, and then that's when I'll look for my entry. New highs coming, but I know, hopefully. MNTS, let's make this a yellow line. Yes. MNTS. No volume on MNTS. Personally, I would avoid it. 77 cents maybe. But right now, there's no reason for me to enter this. There's no volume. It's just ranging in here. So yeah, nothing. Yeah, if I use a partnership with Drug, fantastic, amazing. Thought you skipped on ELAB chart. Nothing really going on ELAB for me, to be honest. Nothing. I'll look for where's the most rejections. Is around here. Candle close above 1175. You have room up here. I wouldn't do it here because you have all this in the way. Could you please check TPST? There was nothing on that one when I saw it last. Yeah, TPST, nothing. It's just in the demand zone, so it needs to hold this, hopefully into open. But yeah, not enough volume for me. It's not even up anything after pre-market, so I'd leave it. APVO. Up 21%. Wait for 28 cents. A candle must close above here. You can choose whatever time frame you desire. I like to use the 5 minute. That's not the best time frame to use. There are thousands of ways you can trade. I like to use the 5 minute because that is where I have my results, and that's what I trade on. It's the most back testing I have. I don't know what it's like when it closes above on the 1 minute, 15, daily, weekly. I use the 5 minute. In your opinion, what are the two runners we should be looking at to open? I have no idea. Please don't answer that question. If I knew it, I would be a multi-billionaire. And yeah, I don't know. All these ones on the left-hand side have high probability. Which ones will run it open? I don't know. I wish I knew the answer. It's pretty impossible to know. How do you feel about the trade algo platforms that help with buy and sell points? They're all delayed, bro. It doesn't work. I've tried it. When I started out trading, I tried it on TradingView, the best buy sell indicators. It's all lagging. It's all a load of shit. You need to learn. When you do that and you start to, that's how you're learning how to trade, because you see all of this stuff, these indicators, everything, they don't really help you too much. You need to understand what candles mean, what price action is, how, where support, resistance, all these things. You need to understand that. These things don't really help you, in my opinion. You cannot, you're trying to find a quick, lazy way to make money in my eyes. I've tried it. I've tried all these best buy sell indicators, paid for stuff. It doesn't really work at the end of the day. Maybe it works a few times. I haven't done it long enough to even try it, to be honest. But in my experience, the best way to do it is actually learn how to trade. So I know what everything, when something is coming down, I understand why it's coming down. I understand why play is running. I understand what a strong bottom wick is. I understand what a strong bullish green candle is, what these dots are, if this is low or high volume. I understand some candlestick patterns. I understand a lot of patterns. I don't understand all the indicators. That's why I don't use a lot of indicators on my page. I use one, that's it. So yeah, you have to learn how to trade. But my opinion on that, I think it's all a load of shit, to be honest. It's a load of shit. But yeah, that's just my experience, to be honest. RGTI, 4 hour RGTI. I mean, very bullish chart. I don't know what's going on with this. Riggity Computing, is this 128 or 130 next level? 130 next level. VTAK. Nice. Needs that 109 break. VTAK needs 109 break. Yeah, 109 break. Lipo. Guys, it's like up a stream. Can you believe it? It's free. 34 likes. Nothing on this lipo for me. I would say candle must close above here. Then you have clean range up. Try and enter now. You have this in the way. So just wait for this. Then you have clean range all the way up. Clean range meaning the next resistance level. BT that runs a Bitcoin blockchain play, I think, from what I remember. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's bullish. It just, it runs with Bitcoin, Mara, Hut, Riot, Can, all of them. BKKT, Clean Spark. Bivy is the best setup opening. Do you think Bivy is the best setup? Well, I don't think it's the best setup. There are loads of setups, but this is setting up for a breakout, yes. It doesn't mean it's the best setup. But yes, it's something I would definitely keep on watch. Have you ever tried trading futures? No. Do you invest high dividend companies? Not really, to be honest. I'm not really that big into long term. I invest my money elsewhere. But I do, I say it all the time, I just invest in companies that I like, and then just strong companies set up, you know, the normal Amazon, Google, all that. But I never really look at that account because it's long term. Because if I look at it, I'm all in the whole day trade mindset, sell, take profits, all that stuff. NIVF still bearish. It is in a bearish chart pattern, which is a descending triangle. Price should come down unless it breaks above downtrend. But right now you're at a support level, so hopefully it holds here. Good luck if it does. Was about to pay, was on the fence, but what you learn. I mean, the best way to do, guys, like, I don't know, it's just my experience and the way I've learned, okay, is that you have to learn how to trade. You cannot, there's no quick fix, all these bots, algos, all of this stuff. Yes, maybe it works here and there, but it's not going to be a consistent approach. In my opinion, yes, in the future, I feel like there will be bots that can do all of this stuff and do it for us. Yes, I agree. But in my opinion, nothing can predict price action better than you doing it yourself and looking at the chart in real time, right? And it's just about practicing and understanding what is bullish. What is, if you're trading for day trades and trade commons, you're not doing any options or any crypto short selling, all that stuff. If you're trading purely like how I do, right, then you need to understand chart patterns. You don't need to know everything. I don't know everything. People in the Discord know. You guys on Twitter know. I only pretty much trade the falling wedge. Why do I do that? Because I've pretty much mastered it. I learn every day and see how the stock reacts to certain levels when it gives me the setup. But I learn every day and I get better at it every day because all I'm doing is I'm mastering that one thing. I don't know every single strategy. People need to get that out of their head, that because someone's been trading for 20 years, 10 years, 5 years, 1 day, right? Everyone has their own strategy. Someone will tell my strategy sucks. Maybe for them it doesn't work, right? Because maybe they haven't done it enough. They haven't practiced it. They don't know. Maybe it doesn't suit their eye. I don't know, for whatever reason. But people who join the Discord, I teach them what made me profitable, and if they copy that, they can learn it. And it'll take a month, 2 months maximum. You know, you just have to stick at it and stay and do exactly what is shown. Because if you're going to chop and change your risk management plan, or you're going to not do the falling wedge the same, or you're going to do something else, you're going to enter here without the breakout. Like, if you're doing things differently, yes, you start to learn and develop your own strategy in that sense, which is good. It's great, but the ultimate thing is that I give you, Hassi as well, we give you the kind of the backbone for learning and understanding, because that's all you really need. I don't know all these indicators. I don't use the RSI. I don't use this buy sell indicator. I don't use MACDs. I don't use any of that stuff, you know. So I've kind of found my niche, and that's what I do, to be honest. But it's all lagging indicators. It is. It really is. Wow, LTBR is nice. Very nice. Very nice. Peggy is here. Let me see. Peggy's in demand zone. Nothing really going with Peggy. It's just in demand zone here. See this? I would wait for $9 if anything. Peggy's in the demand zone here. Let's put it up. Peggy. All right, guys. I'm going to head into the Discord. Let me go through some stuff. Peggy. Like to see our SYT ARX open, yeah. Looks good. So look, now this is a good entry point because candle closed above. Should continue to go up, so we can keep that one on. Lumen, keep it on watch. ISPC is looking good. Yeah, all these ones, all the colored ones, all the plays on my watches. Thank you, man. No problem, bro. No problem. Maxin. Maxin, no volume on this. I just would avoid it, bro. It's like completely bearish chart. Terrible, terrible, terrible. No problem. All right, guys. I'm going to head into Discord. Here is the link. Okay, I just want to say it because every day I get new viewers, right? And I do it because most people, whether they click the link or not, it doesn't matter, but at least they click the right one. Is this link here. I don't have a Telegram. I will not comment under my own post saying join, wave at you, all this random bot shit, right? You can look at my name as Tigerline Trades. 9 times out of 10 I write in capitals, so you can see that. I don't have weird writing. I don't ask you, oh hey, how's your trading going for the last 2 days? You know, this is all a scam. Ignore it. I only have a WAP, which is linked to the Discord. Both myself and Hassi in there. We do live trading every single day. It's exactly how this is, but we give you the reasoning, stop loss, entry, targets, live seminars, risk management plan, journals, all that kind of stuff. All right, so if you want to join, feel free. I'll see you guys in there. I know we've had a few that have just joined, so welcome. Please make sure to watch the intro video before you're starting the Discord, because every single question you have that I know you have, because I get it all the time, is in the intro video. All right, so have a fantastic day, guys. Please make sure to use a stop loss. Have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.